Did you know that more than 530,000 working days are wasted each year managing data? Imagine having instant access to all the business insights within your Sage 50 data without having to spend hours generating reports. Roveel is a powerful cloud-based data reporting add-on that puts data insights at your fingertips through visual graphs and charts. Roveel brings your data to life using a variety of ready-to-go dashboards for your entire business. Roveel is designed to help businesses make the most informed and insightful business decisions by giving you instant access to essential data on any device. The dashboards instantly generate the insights needed to support more effective and efficient decision-making. For only £50 a month, take advantage of Roveel's sales, profit and loss, cash purchases, and credit control dashboards to gain full visibility of your costs, revenue, and profit margins, empowering your entire team with information they need when making critical business decisions. As a plug-and-play add-on, Roveel's dashboards are up and running in just 5 minutes. Save hundreds of hours by diving in deeper. With drill-down functionality, data visualizations, and a variety of business dashboards, Roveel gives you instant visibility of your entire business data, the way you need it to help spot trends and opportunities to grow your business. Roveel for Sage. Check out Roveel.com for more information.